Guys, we missed the ferry. We missed the ferry. But it's
So something that became a part of our morning routine every day is making a smoothie. So something I learned from my doctor this summer is that you want to consume 5 colors of fresh fruits and vegetables every day. And guess what? Smoothies count. And so it's been an easy way to get Jojo to consume a little bit of spinach. And of course I have to hide it in a cup so she can't see the color. She won't drink it if she sees green. But yeah, this is something that we've been doing and it's working out good. I like it. Jojo's smoothie consists of strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, banana, and of course, some spinach. Summer in New Orleans has been no joke. We've been finding water, a pool, every single day to go swimming.
up for a morning walk with Jerome. That's the restaurant that me and Tamarisha ran and Amanda went to. I guess what we ate, Jerome? We ate spring chicken. That's frog legs. We ate frog. We ate alligator. That was our first time ever having alligator. What's that? What is that? It's a Marvel what lab? Oh, it's just pictures. It's not a game. Look on the side. Yeah, you don't need that, baby. So peaceful walking in the mall this early. You can actually see this place, and there's thousands, hundreds of people in here. It's like, oh, can't see nothing, can't enjoy nothing. They're not open yet, baby. All of them pack them wash and turn down from last night. Oh, see. All the stuff there's like cream cheese wonton, chicken and broccoli, tongue powder. Oh, and Tajina likes this place. Ooh, they were open. I tried the Thai coconut curry chicken. I've never had that. The firecracker. Ah, and they got firecracker Mongolian chicken. Ha! Kung Pao chicken. Oh boy, we're US contender. Pretty much. They just have a wall that separates them, I'm sure. So salads are sushi not open yet. I didn't even know they had rock and roll sushi here. That must be new. Auntie Anne's not open yet. One of our wickedness right here, right, girl? White chocolate raspberry truffle. Strawberry pineapple. Strawberries and big banana raisin. Will never taste as good as Devon else. Oh, they sell smoothies now. I didn't even know that. But do they put a scoop of ice cream in there? They sure do, vanilla ice cream. So it's still like a treat. It's not a, I guess it's not like, oh, see, they have real fruit smoothies too. seeing the city without everybody being here. This is nice. See the art.
What can they do?
Of course it's open. This used to be the Clark store. It used to be one of my favorite stores. Now it's... Wow, look at this giant bag. So what do people do with this giant bag? What do you put in it?
Here.
Yeah. That's where the Carter store used to be. Oh, it's Kate Spade. This is nice, Jerome. You and I can come. For real. That place is still here. It's been here forever. And this place has gotten bigger. Sorry. I've never seen that before. All the years I've been here. What is that? What are they doing? Wow, they got a whole rig set up though. I don't think that's oil. They must be doing something to the. They must be doing something to the bottom of the river drum. Very. I'm gonna have to ask Daddy about that. I've never seen that before. I'm taking a video so I can show Dryland tours for the day. Should we take the ferry? Maybe. I've never taken it. Guys, we missed the ferry. We missed the ferry, but it's okay. It's gonna be back in how many minutes, Joe? 30. I've never been on a ferry, Jerome. Shade? Okay, find a shady chair. Let's see. Look like there's a shady spot on this side of that chair. That one in the middle, baby. The one in the middle. How many? 4 Secretarial. Really? Oh, it's gonna be busy. Everybody's excited to see this new insectarium.
So this was the motivation that I needed to go get my car washed, and I went home and I cleaned up my bedroom. That's it for this week. Happy summer. Stay cool. Bye.